Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Airtable form submissions to create LinkedIn lead lists step by step clearly. To get started, open your Airtable base. Create a new table for your form submissions. Add fields relevant to your LinkedIn lead list. For example, include fields for names, email addresses, and job titles. Next, navigate to the Airtable Forms section. Click on Create a new form. Customize your form by adding the fields you created. Ensure the form is user-friendly and clear. Once the form is ready, click Share Form to get the link. Copy the link and share it with your intended audience. Now, let's integrate Airtable with LinkedIn to capture leads. To do this, use a tool like Zapier. Sign in to your Zapier account or create one if you haven't yet. Click on Make a Zap to start creating your automation. In the Trigger section, search for Airtable. Choose New Record in View as your trigger event. Connect your Airtable account to Zapier. Select the base and table you created for the form submissions. Now, move on to the Action section. Search for LinkedIn and select Create Lead Gen Form Response. Connect your LinkedIn account to Zapier. Map the fields from your Airtable form to the corresponding LinkedIn fields. For instance, link the name field from Airtable to the name field in LinkedIn. Test the Zap to ensure everything is working correctly. After the test confirms success, turn on your Zap. Go back to your Airtable base to view the submissions. Monitor the submissions coming through from the form link. Check your LinkedIn lead list for the new entries. Keep refining your form and LinkedIn response mapping as needed. With this setup, you can streamline your lead generation process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.